It's happening! The stock market is spiraling, trillions are being wiped out, and investors are panicking. And the biggest question on everyone's mind is Trump behind this? Since reclaiming the White House in 2024, President Donald Trump has launched a full-scale economic war, slapping new tariffs, sparking trade battles, and sending Wall Street into a meltdown. Is this all part of his plan, or is the market just reacting to his unpredictable leadership? Today, we're breaking down what's really happening to your money, your investments, and the future of the economy. Let's get into it. What's going on with the stock market? The market is crashing hard in 2025, and here's why. 1. Trump's tariff war. The president has reignited trade wars, slapping massive tariffs on China, the EU, and even Mexico. The result? Prices are surging, businesses are scrambling, and markets are tanking. 2. The Federal Reserve's mess. The Fed refuses to cut interest rates fast enough, and Wall Street hates it. High borrowing costs are squeezing businesses and investors. 3. Massive corporate sell-offs. Billionaire investors and hedge funds are dumping stocks left and right, bracing for a deeper recession. 4. Recession fears. With inflation still high and consumer spending slowing, experts fear a full-blown recession could hit this year. The numbers don't lie. The S&P 500 is officially in correction territory, down over 10% from its 2024 highs. $4 trillion in market value has vanished in just a few months. Tech stocks are crashing, with companies like Apple, Tesla, and Microsoft losing billions overnight. Unemployment is rising as big corporations slash jobs to survive. And guess who's at the center of it all? Trump's economic chaos. Is it on purpose? Trump has always prided himself on being unpredictable, but some analysts think his moves are more calculated than they seem. Here's the theory. 1. Trump wants to force the Fed to cut rates. By letting markets crash, he pressures the Federal Reserve into slashing interest rates, which could boost the economy in time for his second term. 2. Trade war equals leverage. Trump wants better trade deals, so he's crashing markets on purpose to scare China, the EU, and other countries into making concessions. 3. The economy first, markets second. Unlike previous presidents, Trump doesn't care about Wall Street's feelings. He's focused on trade, American manufacturing, and the job market, even if it means market pain. But is it working? Will this market collapse get worse? The million-dollar question: are we heading for a full-blown recession? Scenario 1. The Fed saves the day. If the Federal Reserve cuts interest rates aggressively, markets could recover fast and investors might jump back in. Scenario 2. The Trump effect backfires. If the trade war drags on too long, companies might slash jobs and a full-blown recession could hit by mid-2025. Scenario 3. The market goes wild. If uncertainty continues, we could see huge stock market swings where one day the market tanks and the next it skyrockets. Right now, we're in uncharted territory. How to protect your money in 2025. With everything happening, how can you survive the stock market madness? Don't panic sell. Markets are volatile, but downturns don't last forever. Selling at the bottom is the worst mistake. Go defensive. Focus on recession-proof stocks like consumer goods, healthcare, and energy. Watch the Fed. If they slash interest rates, markets could rebound fast. Hold some cash. Keeping cash on the sidelines lets you buy stocks cheap when the dust settles. Think long-term. This market is scary, but long-term investors always win. Final thoughts. So, is Trump taking the market on purpose? Maybe, maybe not. But one thing is clear. 2025 is turning into a financial roller coaster, and you need to be ready. What do you think? Is Trump's economic strategy genius or a disaster? Let's talk in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.